Why is investing important? Saving, as a habit, has been a part of the human psyche since the Stone Age. Even while surviving in caves, man had the basic understanding to store or save his resources and utilize them in need. But all this while, we were never taught how our resources, or in today's age money, will grow with time. As seen in the previous video, the money you invest fetches you additional monetary returns as years pass. But aside from the traditional reasons, such as a strong source of secondary income, emergency saving, tax benefits, why does it become so important to invest? It is because we all fail to account for a very important factor, and that is inflation. Let's say that your income is rupees 100. You require rupees 75 to cover your monthly groceries and rupees 25 you set aside in your locker. Let us assume over 2 years things have become costly and your income is still rupees 100. Instead of rupees 75, you will now have to allocate rupees 80 to your monthly bills, letting go of an extra 5 every month from your savings. Seems unfair, doesn't it? Well, it needn't be. Instead of putting it in your locker, if you would have invested the rupees 25 at 10% return, you would have accumulated enough to shield yourself from inflation. Therefore, stop thinking and start investing now. Protect your future from any rude shocks the economy has to offer. For more such videos, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and visit our website www.edelweiss.in.